Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to automate multiple workers with Chemist Worker in Schedule 1. Right side is going to be the game itself, so you're going to have a preview on how it looks like. Left side is going to be the step-by-step tutorial. So this tutorial explains how to automate multiple mixers using a Chemist Worker in Schedule 1 within a manufacturing or chemical processing setup. So first, you need to ensure your setup complies with local safety regulations and your specific platform's automation for framework. So basically for this one is step 1, log into your plant's automation interface or software. Navigate to the Schedule 1 tab or module where your tasks assigned are configured. Step 2, assign the Chemist Worker role. Basically for this one you need to look for a Chemist Worker role. Step 3, connect mixers to the automation system. So label each mixer with a unique ID for tracking for the schedule. Step 4, define mix patterns or define mixer parameters. That being said, set batch size, duration, temperature, and ingredient ratios for each mixer. Take note about that one. That is actually one of the most important steps here. Save this setting under each mixer's profile. Step 5 is program schedule 1 task. You basically add tasks to schedule 1 for each mixers. It's basically the same as step 4, but step 4 is defining. This step 5 is adding the task itself. Use time slots or triggers to schedule this task sequentially or in parallel depending on capacity. Step 6 is validate task dependencies or priorities, making sure that no two mixers, again, do not use two mixers exclusively for resources. Basically, do not overlap mixers parameters, alright? So set task priority if the chemist worker cannot handle our mixers at once. 7. Test and simulate. This is actually one of the most important thing also. It's basically trial and error. Step 8. Start automated schedule. Start the process you have made and then monitor the chemist workers dashboards to ensure all mixers are operating as planned. Step 9. Monitor and adjust as needed. Basically as a follow-up checkup. Anyway, conclusion, automating multiple workers using Chemist Worker in Schedule 1 streamlines production and reduces manual oversight. Basically, this is real-life manufacturing work. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.